Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM. In sales and service, your contacts are everything. That's why our CRM gives you a powerful, unified way to manage your entire address book with clarity and control. Here in the company section, or you can rename this label to contact. If you click, all your contacts are available with their details including address, country, state, and city. Everything is available here. You have the option to view your contact and access the document list. If any document, KYC or sales related, is added against that particular contact, you can access those documents from here. You also have the option to mail the company directly and review the company history if any changes have been made to that contact over time. You have the option to edit your contact details. You can even blacklist your contact if you don't want any leads to come from them. Above that, you can also mark a contact as a priority customer. If you want to mark them as a high-ticket customer or something similar, you can set the priority as well. From here, you can also change the assignee. If you have, let's say, a company with multiple offices and dealings at each location, you have the option to manage parent and child mapping. You can designate the parent account and map all related accounts accordingly. Additionally, if you want to add any lead, there is an option to add a lead directly from the contact itself. If you want to check data like the number of leads a contact has given, just click on this filter and it will show you all leads and orders from that contact. If you click to check the ledger, you can review all transactions, past and current, complete with order IDs, quotations, and payments. Everything can be checked from the contact list itself. If you want to add more contacts to a particular section, click the plus sign and you have the option to add more contacts. This same contact list can be managed from our mobile app. By clicking on the contact book section in the app, you will find all the data you've entered in the system and access details from here. If you want to add any company, you can do so right from the app. You can even scan a business card and add a contact. All these options are available in the mobile app as well as the CRM. Plus, there's a filter available. You can sort by user or company name among other options. You can apply these filters as needed. At the top, you also have the option to search for any company. You can access your complete contact list from this company's module, add a company or bulk upload contacts. All these features are available here in the contact section. I hope you found this information useful. For more relevant and feature-focused videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.